A haunting cry echoes through the jungle as the local tribe discovers an injured panda near the riverbank. Emergency call received. Far away, a rescue team scrambles into action as the urgent signal reaches their command center. Scene 3: Into the Storm. Through roaring thunder and blinding rain. The red rescue helicopter battles its way into the Amazon skies. Pinpointing the location.
Det er nu på et blodsammenstellet roti. Et stort bare så forslidt, massiva.
Using drone feeds and tribal signals.
Det er nu på et blodsammenstellet roti. Et stort bare så forslidt, massiva.
The team locates the wounded panda deep within the green maze. Lowering into the forest. With no safe landing, a medic is lowered through the thick canopy into the heart of the jungle. First contact. Kneeling in the undergrowth, the medic gently soothed the frightened panda with calm hands and soft words. Makeshift forest medical tent. A small medical tent rises among the trees as the team works surgically to treat the panda's wounds. Airlift to safety. With precision and care, the panda is lifted high above the trees into the waiting helicopter. Healing Center arrival. Cheers erupt as the panda arrives safely at the wildlife sanctuary. Surrounded by flowers and hope. A new beginning. Under golden sunlight, the healed panda steps into freedom while the team watches with proud hearts.